Hey guys, hope you're all doing fantastic through this COVID-19 pandemic by staying headstrong and safe. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who have not heard of me, my name is William Wehrli, and as the name of my channel suggests, I am here to shape autism. Now, what do I mean by shaping autism? Well, let me give you a brief background about my story. I was diagnosed with autism at the age of 4. I ran through many obstacles and roadblocks as I was growing up. But I made it to the point where I am living independently by working, paying my bills, cooking, cleaning, and building my brand. So many people with autism are badly misjudged and badly mistreated for being different. And not only is it hard on them, but it's also hard on their families. If people are going to rise up and succeed, they need hope. They need to be inspired and educated. And who better to provide that than someone who has been in the shoes of an autistic individual? You'll see all sorts of content on my channel, like vlogs that touch on the basis of my lifestyle or my fitness journey. And the reason I chose to showcase my fitness journey is because fitness has done so much for my growth. It's helped me to be confident, have a healthier mindset and attitude. I'll also be uploading videos on my backstory, my life experiences with autism, how I continue to live life, and share with you tips on what helped me grow. I also have a separate channel for showcasing my creativity. I'll put a link in that description. This channel contains tutorials on photo and video editing, as well as edited movie clips. I've always been a huge Star Wars fan since I was 7 years old. Every time it gets re-released, it drives me bonkers because the changes are just making the films worse, in my opinion. 8 years ago, I came across a Star Wars fan edit by a guy who calls himself Addywan, where he not only fixed the films, but enhanced the effects and the picture quality. Seeing that inspired me to start my own Star Wars fan edit and share with others how I achieved this. I hope this video has given you all insight about who I am and what my goal is. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions or suggestions that you would like to see from me, be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to acknowledge your comments and take into consideration how I can apply that for further videos. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to see content from me, and be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment as well. I'll see you all next time.